Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome y'all onto my channel, guys. I hope that everyone is good. Yeah, man. If you did not know, yeah, Presley Chwemeyagae passed away. Who was an actor, one of the leading actors, Gutsotsi, was acting alongside with Uteri Peto. He did passed away, unfortunately, on the 27th this month. So yeah, man, the whole country is definitely mourning him. On social media and you do see people posting videos and nice messages, and also paying their condolences to his family. And yeah, man, it is definitely a sad time we are currently facing with the passing of him. But unfortunately, there's only one person who has absolutely no chill, but we definitely know who is that. Everyone is going through it's just mourning the passing of Presley, but there's only one person who hasn't gained. And did you see this post? Check out this post. Did you see this post? Okay, that's not the only post. Here's another one. People are definitely coming for him, but either way, Musa, we all know Guti does not give a rat's ass about what people have to say about him. Allegedly will say that because he's still carrying on with his ways of speaking and saying whatever he wants to say. Yeah, ish. Isn't this guy in jail? Last time I checked, I'll say allegedly, he was in jail behind bars, and now Musa akasabi vele ukuthi behind bars there could be people who are fans of Presley. And I know cliche or coincident ukuthi he was on the movie Itsotsi, and Musa is behind bars namatsotsi. Isn't he afraid ukuthi those guys could do something to him? Another thing that could also happen, you find out Gutu Musa is fine behind bars in terms of there's someone who's taking care of him, because we've also heard stories of Uguji, when you get on the other side, when you get the big boss, they'll take care of you and all of that. But why would you want to put yourself in a situation where you're surrounded by people who might harm you and who might have also been a fan of this guy? Because I don't know, I do kind of feel like a lot of people loved this guy, and Koran Abafetaba on the other side who also love this guy. So the fact that this guy is also going through, you also know this other thing, Yaguti, sometimes when people are still alive, that's why they normally do say that give a person their flowers while they're still alive. Normally when somebody passes, when they are still alive, we really like them, but not really like that, you understand? But once that person passes away, that's when people be starting. That's why you even see even celebrities posting all pictures that they took with that person, pictures they took in 50 million years ago. Once someone passes away, people start to kind of feel utando for them, or to start to show their appreciation or whatever. Isn't Musa afraid of Ugoji? People might also be starting to feel like that with Presley, and once they start seeing his comments, and they'll end up wanting to do something to him. I mean, I wouldn't. I honestly would not want to put myself in that situation, be in a situation where I just have a target, not just on my back, even on my front. No. So yeah, man, it's just so much to think about this. Yeah, we all have flaws, but wait, I do not want to lie to you. There are people emingcwabeni or during sad times who just prefer Gucci actually most of us, we just prefer all the bad things that a person used to do or they did, we do not want to bring them up, especially during that time. Maybe after or even before the time, those things can be raised, but during the time of their passing, hey, it just even reminds me of that lady. This lady, check out this video.
Lebohang was in pain. It turns out his wife had brought a man into the house. Please, don't you dare.
That's it. That's it. Enough.
She brought a man into my brother's house. She brought a man into my brother's house.
Yeah, there are also people like this. So, hey, Musa, I don't know, man. Yeah, man, just enjoy the rest of your day and hang in there, and sure.